Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Together, your cozy English learning podcast where we help you speak naturally and confidently. I'm Jessie, and today we're going to talk about one of the most common and useful topics in English, the weather.
Hi everyone, I'm Wyatt, and yes, Jesse's right. Weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. People talk about it every day, everywhere. At work, in the park, in a cafe, even when waiting for the bus.
Exactly. And the best thing is, talking about the weather is not just small talk. It's a friendly, natural way to connect with others, especially when you're meeting someone for the first time.
Right. It's one of those universal topics. No matter where you're from, you can always talk about the weather. And today we'll show you how to do it in simple, natural English. And we'll explain some useful words and expressions along the way.
Perfect. So let's start with a question people use all the time. How's the weather?
Ah, yes, that's a classic. You can also say, "What's the weather like today?" Both mean the same thing.
Exactly. So if someone asks, how's the weather? You could say things like, it's sunny, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's really hot today, or it's freezing outside.
Yes, and notice how we often use it's when talking about the weather. For example, it's windy, it's snowing, it's beautiful today.
That's such an important point. The word it doesn't really mean anything special here. We just use it in English to describe the weather.
Exactly. So, Wyatt, how's the weather where you are today?
It's actually quite nice today. The sun is shining, the sky is clear, and there's a cool breeze.
That sounds perfect. And breeze means a gentle wind, not too strong, just soft and refreshing.
Right. It feels relaxing. How about you, Jessie?
It's a little cloudy here, but still warm. The kind of weather that makes you want to go for a walk.
That sounds nice too. I like cloudy days sometimes. They make me calm. calm.
Me too. And here's a fun tip for our listeners. In English, we often use adjectives to describe the weather. Words like sunny, windy, stormy, chilly, humid, or foggy.
Yes, let's go through a few of them in simple ways.
Sure. So sunny means the sun is shining bright. For example, it's a sunny day.
And windy means there's a lot of wind. It's windy today.
Cloudy means there are many clouds. It's cloudy but not raining.
Exactly. And rainy means, of course, it's raining. It's a rainy day.
Right. And here's one that confuses many learners, humid. It means the air feels wet and sticky, usually when it's hot.
Oh, yes, I know that feeling. When you go outside and your hair goes crazy, that's humidity.
Laughs. So true. Then we have foggy. That's when there's a lot of mist in the air and you can't see far.
Yes, like early mornings in winter. You look outside and everything looks soft and white.
Exactly. Speaking of winter, let's talk about the four seasons. Because the weather changes with them.
Good idea. So, the four seasons are spring, summer, autumn, or fall, and winter.
Right. And people often ask, what's your favorite season?
That's a great conversation starter. So, Jessie, what's your favorite season?
Hmm. I'd say spring. I love when the flowers start blooming. The air feels fresh and the weather is just right. Not too hot, not too cold.
That's a beautiful choice. And for our learners, blooming means when flowers start to open and grow.
Exactly. And how about you, Wyatt? What's your favorite season?
I think I like autumn or fall. The air gets cooler, the trees change color, and I love the sound of leaves crunching under my feet.
That's such a nice image. And crunching means that crisp sound when something dry breaks, like leaves or chips.
Right. It's such a cozy feeling. And you can even use the word cozy to describe weather sometimes. Like, it's a cozy, rainy day.
Yes, when it's raining and you're inside with a blanket and tea, that's cozy weather.
Laughs. That's the best. I think that's when everyone feels grateful for a warm home.
Definitely. So let's show our listeners how to use these weather words in short conversations.
Good idea. Here's an example. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Perfect for a walk.
Or, how's the weather where you are? Oh, it's cold and windy. I had to wear my jacket. That's great. Simple sentences, but they sound real and natural.
Exactly. And you can also talk about how the weather makes you feel. Like, it's raining, so I feel sleepy. Or, it's sunny, and I feel happy. Right. In English, people often connect weather with emotions.
That's true. Like when it's raining, we say, it's gloomy. Gloomy means dark, sad, or a bit depressing.
Yes. And when it's bright and sunny, we might say, it's such a cheerful day.
Exactly. The weather can really change your mood.
Totally. By the way, did you know English speakers also use the weather in idioms?
Oh, yes, I love that part. For example, it's raining cats and dogs. It means it's raining very heavily.
Right. No actual cats or dogs falling from the sky, thankfully. Laughs.
Laughs. Thankfully. Another one is on cloud nine. It means to be very happy.
Yes, like I got my dream job. I'm on cloud 9.
That's a great expression. And one more. Under the weather. That means you're feeling a bit sick.
Exactly. Like, I'm feeling a little under the weather today. It's a polite way to say you're not feeling well.
Perfect examples. See, the weather isn't just about temperature, it's part of how we express feelings in English.
That's so true. Okay, let's talk about weather around the world. Wyatt, what's the weather like in your country most of the year?
Well, I'd say it's mostly warm. Summers can be really hot, sometimes 35 degrees Celsius or more, but winters are mild, not too cold.
That sounds nice. Where I live, it's the opposite. Cold winters with snow and warm summers.
Snow. That's something many people love to see. Snow makes everything look magical.
It really does, but it also makes me sleepy. All I want to do is stay home and drink hot chocolate.
Laughs. That's so relatable. And that's another way to talk about feelings with weather. You can say, snowy days make me want to relax.
Yes, and sunny days make me feel active.
Exactly. You can use make me feel or make me want to to describe how weather affects your mood. And
That's a really natural structure.
so, Jessie, what kind of weather do you like the most?
Hmm, I love cool and slightly windy weather. The kind where you can wear a light jacket and go for a walk.
That's perfect weather, I agree. For me, I like sunny mornings after a rainy night. The air feels fresh and everything smells clean.
Ah, yes, that smell after rain. It's so refreshing.
Yes, for our listeners, refreshing means something that makes you feel new, awake, or alive.
Exactly. And speaking of smells, the smell of rain even has a name. It's called petrichor.
Oh, wow, that's a great word. A little advanced, but fun to know.
Totally. And here's another thing people often say. When the weather changes a lot, we call it unpredictable.
Yes, like the weather here is so unpredictable. It's sunny one minute and raining the next.
That's me every spring, laughs.
Laughs. True. Spring can't make up its mind.
Okay, let's also explain some temperature words.
Good idea. So, when it's very hot, we say boiling or scorching. Like, it's boiling today, I need some ice cream.
Exactly. And when it's very cold, we can say freezing or icy, like, it's freezing outside, I can't feel my fingers.
That's a great one. And for pleasant weather, we can say mild. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, like, it's mild today. Perfect weather for a picnic.
Speaking of picnics, weather is a big part of social plans too.
That's true. People often say, let's check the weather forecast before going out.
Exactly. And forecast means the prediction of weather, what it's expected to be.
Yes, like, the forecast says it'll rain tomorrow.
And if you want to sound natural, you can also say, it looks like it's going to rain.
Right. Or, it feels like summer already.
Those phrases sound very natural. English speakers use them all the time.
Exactly. So, listeners, remember, when you talk about the weather, you're not just describing it, you're connecting with others.
That's the key. Even a simple nice weather today, isn't it? Can start a friendly chat.
Yes, let's try that one more time as a short example conversation.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's beautiful. Finally, some sunshine after all that rain.
I know, right? I was so tired of carrying an umbrella every day.
Same here. I hope it stays like this for the weekend.
Perfect. Natural, easy, and friendly.
Exactly. And for beginners, that's one of the best ways to start small talk in English.
So true, and small talk is how real friendships begin.
Absolutely.
All right, before we finish, let's do a quick review of what we learned today.
Great idea. So, we talked about
How to ask about the weather. How's the weather? Or what's the weather like today?
common weather words: sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, chilly, humid, foggy.
Expressions for temperature, boiling, freezing, mild.
Weather idioms: raining cats and dogs, under the weather, on cloud nine.
And how to describe your feelings using weather. It's sunny and I feel happy.
Exactly. That's a full set of natural phrases you can start using right now.
And remember, practice makes progress. Try describing today's weather in English out loud, even just one or two sentences.
Yes. You can even comment below and tell us, what's the weather like where you are today?
We'd love to read your answers.
Absolutely.
All right, friends. That's it for today's episode of Learn English Together.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like this episode, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
And remember, even a simple chat about the weather can be a great way to practice your English every day.
Exactly. Stay curious, stay positive, and keep learning with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.